Accurate and humidity monitoring is essential for home comfort, plant care, and weather awareness. Much like how mechanical keyboards appeal to typists and gamers with precision and responsiveness. This guide evaluates the best indoor-outdoor. List 1. This wireless weather station combines a sleek design with accurate temperature and humidity monitoring for both indoor and outdoor environments. Featuring real-time wireless transmission, it ensures that outdoor sensors relay precise readings to the indoor display instantly. The large, easy-to-read screen shows temperature, humidity, and trend indicators, making it easy to track changes at a glance. The unit also includes a memory function to record high and low readings, useful for gardeners or those monitoring home conditions over time. Its battery-efficient design ensures long-lasting use, while the simple setup process makes it beginner-friendly. Ideal for homes, offices, or greenhouses, this thermometer hygrometer delivers accuracy. List number 2. The ThermoPro TP60 is an all-in-one indoor-outdoor monitoring solution with highly accurate sensors. It features a large, backlit LCD display showing temperature and humidity readings for multiple zones simultaneously. With wireless transmission up to 200 feet, the outdoor sensor can be placed in the yard, greenhouse, or balcony for real-time updates. The unit records high and low values, helping you track trends over time, which is crucial for sensitive plants or weather-sensitive home settings. The TP60's sleek, modern design fits any decor, while the easy-to-use buttons allow quick switching between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Its reliability and feature set make it a favorite for hobbyists, gardeners, and families seeking precise indoor-outdoor climate monitoring. List 3. The TP50 is a simple yet highly effective indoor thermometer and hygrometer. Its large LCD screen clearly displays current temperature and humidity, along with trend arrows indicating rising or falling conditions. The compact design allows for flexible placement on a table, desk, or shelf. While it does not have an outdoor sensor, its accuracy and fast response make it perfect for indoor climate monitoring, ensuring optimal comfort and healthy humidity levels. The TP50 is battery-powered, energy-efficient, and easy to maintain, making it ideal for bedrooms, offices, or indoor gardens. For those seeking accurate indoor readings without extra complexity, the TP50 is a reliable, affordable solution. List number. The ThermoPro TP49 is designed for indoor use, offering high-precision temperature and humidity readings on a clear LCD display. It features trend indicators to show whether conditions are rising or falling, assisting with indoor climate management. Compact and lightweight, it can be placed anywhere in your home or office, or mounted on a wall for convenience. The TP49 is also energy efficient, powered by standard batteries, and provides a reliable, low-maintenance solution for monitoring indoor comfort. Its simplicity and accuracy make it ideal for those focused exclusively on indoor climate management, such as in nurseries, living rooms, or indoor plant setups. List number 5. This dual indoor-outdoor thermometer hygrometer provides fast, accurate readings for both temperature and humidity. The outdoor sensor transmits data wirelessly to the indoor display, allowing remote monitoring of garden or patio conditions. The LCD screen shows current values along with high and low records, helping users identify trends over time. Its straightforward setup and durable construction make it ideal for both home and garden use. The unit is lightweight, portable, and suitable for a variety of applications, from greenhouses to living rooms. For users seeking a practical, versatile thermometer hygrometer with reliable wireless functionality, this model delivers excellent value and performance.